Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video Fix login. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to the App Store, and on the search bar simply type in Prime Video and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just head over to the Settings app, scroll down and then tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage, and once you're inside iPhone Storage, scroll down and then tap on Show All, scroll down and then tap on Prime Video. And once you're inside here, tap on Offload App and then tap on Offload App once again. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once this is done, instead of this Upload App, you'll have an option that says Reinstall App. Simply tap on that, and once you are done with the process, simply go back and try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is check if the Amazon has blocked your account or not. Sometimes if Amazon has blocked your account, then that might be causing your login error. So just switch over between Wi-Fi connection, and if that doesn't work, then switch over to cellular data, and that will probably fix the issue. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then use a VPN. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.